Hi guys, it's me, Zoe, back with another video. If you hear that, that's just my mom doing some dishes. But today, we're going to be doing a slime collection. Now, I only have 2 slimes because I just got rid of some bad ones. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post, and comment what video you guys want me to do next. Let's get started. So the first slime I have, and the only slime I have, is the only clear slime that I have. It's green. Sorry guys. I already started playing with it. It's pretty good. It's a tad bit sticky, but it's okay. It's still really good. It's, like I said, it's a clear slime. Hi guys. It's very good. Makes very good bubbles. It doesn't actually make them, but it does good popping. And this one is called Poop slime. I just call it poop because it's the color of poop. Color of baby poop. Yeah. But like I said, it's a really good slime, so let's do some ASMR. Get this one. Alright guys, that was my green slime. Now we're on to the last final slime. And it's the only slime that I have here that is opaque. And it actually has the name written on it. This slime is called Blue Raspberry because it's dark blue. Here it is. Take it out of the container. Here's the slime. It's really good. I made it a few weeks ago. It's really good. It kind of rips. I mean, if you tore it fast, it will rip. But that's how most slimes are, especially if you tear it fast. But if you, like, do this and do it slow, it will stretch. But, like, if you were to tear it fast, then it would rip. Time for some ASMR. This ASMR is going to take quite a while. Okay. Look at that swirl. Oh, yes. Pretty good slime. I gotta say, this is pretty good. It's a very, very dark blue. That's why I call it Blue Raspberry. But, guys, I know you really don't want me to stop the video. But I have to put this up. And guys, any slime video I post on this channel, do not forget to comment down below which slime you like better. Vote which slime you like better, the blue raspberry slime or the green poop slime. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell so you'll be notified every time I post, and hit that thumb up button super duper hard. Bye guys!